All right, so in this question, we have 1/6 of a box of paper clips are red, 5/12 of them are blue, and 2/5 of the remainder are black. So let's pay attention to what is being told to us here. 1/6 of the box of paper clips are red. 5/12 of that box are blue, and 2/5 of the remainder are black. So we don't know too much about the remainder yet. So let's pay attention to just the fractions that are referring to the actual box of paper clips first. So what do we know? We know that 1/6 of them are red and 5/12 of them are blue. So how do we compare a sixth and 12ths? Well, we need to find a common denominator. What is the lowest common denominator of 6 and 12? Well, 6 goes into 12, so it will just be 12. So let's rewrite these fractions in terms of a denominator of 12. So 1/6 is equal to 2/12, and well, 5/12 is just 5/12, so we can keep that as it is. Oops. All right, so let's think of this in terms of our bar graph. So now that we have a denominator of 12, it seems handy that we should divide this bar into 12 pieces, just like that, and then we can color it accordingly. So 1/6 or 2/12 of the paper clips are red. So that's 2 of the little units in our bar. 5/12 of them are blue. So that's 5 of these 12 units in the bar. And then we're told that 2/5 of the remainder are black. So what is left over here? This is the remainder. It just so happens that it's made up of 5 units already, so we don't need to do any more work. And we're told that 2/5 of this area is black, so we can just easily color in 2 of the 5 units to show the black marbles. Now, what's the next piece of information that we're given? If there are 10 black paper clips, how many more blue paper clips are there than red ones? So we need to figure out how many paper clips one of these units is worth, and we're told that the black units contain 10 paper clips. So what can we do with that information? If we know that 2 units, thanks to knowing more information about the black ones, is equal to 10 paper clips. How many paper clips is 1 unit worth? Well, how do we get from 2 to 1? We divide by 2. We will have to divide by 2 on both sides. So 1 unit contains 5 paper clips. And from there we can calculate how many red ones and how many blue ones we have. So there are 2 red units. So we'll say 2 times 5. There are 10 red paper clips. So same number as the black ones. And we had 5 of the blue units. So 5 times 5 makes 25 paper clips. So what was the question? How many more blue paper clips are there than red ones? 25 blue minus 10 of the red ones. There are 15 more blue paper clips than red ones. And that's your answer.